Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Guys, my today's video is extremely creative and unique, but at the same time I am making this video on your massive request, on your demand, because most of you, my friends and family members of YouTube, comment and say that share new, trendy, everyday, basic, unique and easy to make embroidery ideas totally based on Kutch work that is also being named or termed as Sindhi embroidery, Gujarati jammer, Gujarati jama, Sindhi bath, and many more other creative names of this single embroidery stitch. Yes friends, as you could see that our today's video is entirely based upon this stitch. Friends, by using these patterns you can design your dresses, shirts, gowns, kurtis, maxi and any type of top, upper or the dress designing pattern you want to wear or you usually wear. So guys, all of these color combination patterns are unique, decent, delicate, and at the same time they are easy to make if you are an embroidery artist. And no need to worry about that if you are not an embroidery artist, because you can show these design ideas or the idea that you really like and you want your dresses to be made by using those patterns to a nearby embroidery professional, and you can give your instructions or opinions as per your choices by showing these design patterns as well. In my channel you can get all type of amazing trendy design ideas related to hand embroidery, machine embroidery, fabric painting, ribbon work, crochet design ideas and many more creativities of hand art related to fashion world, girls, fashionable accessories, footwear, mehndi designs, nail art, beauty designing ideas, jewelry designs and many more creativities as per girls, women, teenagers or baby girls, fashion trends and fashion based patterns. So friends, with this allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Kindly watch the video till end so that you could get all the amazing, stylish, trendy, unique and easy to make ideas. And one more thing guys, if you really like my today's video, then don't forget to like my video and kindly leave your comments below my video so that I could get to know what you want from me in my upcoming next new videos and what you want me to share with you according to your choices, interests and tastes of fashion creativities. So stay blessed, stay tuned, be happy, spread happiness, try to help others and stay focused and motivated towards your goals so that you could achieve what you want to achieve in your life. Jazakallah for watching, and keep sharing my videos with your friends and family and different type of social media platforms where different type of embroidery artists share their art, embroidery artists share their opinions, ideas and views, so that we could grow up into a remarkable, large and a spreading network of YouTube friends and family members.